So Rabindra manifested it for the fans who are watching us. Rabindra's team made a video. It's a rap song with an animation, shows the entire life story of Rabindra Dhat, from him breaking stones for a living to taking up MMA and then finally knocking out Chungren Koren. Man, this is manifestation, nothing else.
I mean, you know,
you work hard, work in the right direction, have your right team, have the right team in place, and you can deliver the biggest surprise.
No, I'm talking about the fact that we knew somewhere that this was going to be his first real test. He talked, and his corner was right. He took on an aging Agasa, who was way past his prime.
He took on the aging Chaitanya Gavli.
He took on,
again, Kantaraj was not in his prime.
No, Kantaraj's prime was in 2016. I mean, today, Kantaraj, with Mohammad Farhad as well. This was the first fighter who was on his level, and he proved that it was.
And as I said, it's another Chungren Koren fighting Chungren Koren.
I mean,
it's like Superman versus Superman.
Stellar performance. It was a stellar performance. I mean, we got referee Jim Burdias next to me. What a fight, right? I mean, I can't even begin to stress. We have a new champion. Sonam Zamba did the business tonight, and now Chungren Koren, you can see. I mean, the doctors are checking on him. His corner is checking on him to check if he's okay. He will live to fight another day. This is part of the sport, winning and losing. But man, this was Rabindra Dhat's moment, and he did it. Incredible.
Well, the bantamweight belt initially went to Pakistan. Ulumi earned it at MFN 10 after defeating Dhruv Chaudhary, and then later he had to vacate the title. Chungren Koren came up, won the title, and tonight Rabindra Dhat has made history in Indian MMA and in the MMA history of Nepal to be the first ever.
I mean, I met his corner
fighter from Nepal to win a title at Matrix Fight Night. Look at that! Look at that finish. Drop Chungren Koren.
There you go. That was the end.
Man.
It was over.
This is the biggest upset of the evening and the only knockout that we see in MMA 70.
You got your knockout.
We've been waiting for a knockout, and Rabindra Dhat does it in fashion.
It's the way he did it. He broke him down, and to do that to Chungren Koren says something. That he came in with a game plan. They knew what they were doing.
Well, it could be overconfidence as well.
No. You know what? Chungren Koren is such a solid fighter.
You can't replace the skill with anything else.
It's not like it's not like Chungren Koren got just suddenly flash knocked out. He broke him down in his manner. He broke him down with a barrage of strikes over and over again. He tired him out. He hurt him constantly. It was incredible. And Chungren Koren is in no. I think it's okay. He's going to let him walk out on his own. The stretcher is not needed right now. But man, oh man, it's a scary moment whenever we see a fighter take that kind of punishment. It's a scary moment when we see. And quickly, let's go for the final decision. For one last time, Jared Kyle, give us the decision in the cage.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Mark Goldart called the stop of this fight after 54 seconds of round 3 for your winner by knockout and the new MFN Bantamweight World Champion Rabindra Dhat!
You know, I say this over and over again. If there are two title fights, both champions will never retain. Never.
Let's hear it for the champion, Rabindra! All right, that was a clinic. You're called one of the best fighters in Southeast Asia. You proved it today. What a fan following in there. Big round of applause for the entire Nepalese contingent that has come down. But you knew you had it. You didn't have much to prove. But coming into MFN and doing it like this, fantastic. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, first of all, my team, Soma, Lock and Roll, Soma team, Coach Yusuf, Mike, thank you, Yuki here, Congratulations, Jack. You did a good job. And thank you, Tuesday. He supported me a lot. When I into the Kathmandu, that time he supported me. नेपालमा काठमाडौँ गएदेखि मलाई यति धेरै सपोर्ट गर्नुभयो कि यहाँसम्म आउँदाखेरि जस्ट म ट्रेनिङ गर्छु फाइट खेल्छु त्यति हो ड्युजले के गर्नुपर्ने हो ट्रेनिङ कहाँ गर्नुपर्ने हो कोचहरूसँग गर्नुपर्ने हो कुराहरू कहाँ गर्नुपर्ने हो स्पोन्सर कसरी मिलाउनु पर्ने हो फाइट कहाँ खेल्दा ठिक होला सबै यति धेरै गर्नुभएको छ थ्याङ्क यू ड्युज वर्डहरू छैन तर पनि लभ यु
Rabindra, ladies and gentlemen, he deserves every bit of it. You got some more things? Yes.
Thank you, Sisan. You support me a lot. And MFN में मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा MFN में आने के लिए जैकी श्रॉफ सर थैंक यू सो मच उन्होंने मुझे ये फाइट दिलाई उन्होंने बोला कि MFN को रविंद्र को लाओ मैं 3 साल पहले से कोशिश कर रहा था MFN में फाइट करने के लिए जस्ट फाइट दो करके लेकिन पहले कोई और थे उन्होंने कुछ सुना नहीं पर जैकी श्रॉफ सर ने एक फाइट देखी बुलाया आओ थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू आई समम थैंक यू एवरीवन थैंक यू टीम ध्रुव थैंक यू दैट्स इट ओह थैंक यू सपोर्टर्स नेपालबाट यहाँ आउनुभएको थ्याङ्क यू सो मच एभ्रिवान मेरो पुरानो टिम कम्ब्याट एमएमए क्लब